Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Got the Ranger here behind of me. We're out here at local lake this morning. It's Saturday morning, and we're gonna try to get on a bite here. I got my wife Brooke with me, and we're gonna try to catch some fish today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was a good hit. First one on the Mini Max. Little guy, but nice little springtime bass. Oh, nice. Good job, Brooke.
I saw it eat it. I was like, oh.
Nice, Brooke. First fish for Brooke on the spinnerbait. Nice one.
Oh.
Good job.
Right there.
Way to go. Hey, that's a nicer one. Good job. Brooke just caught the second fish of the day, or her second fish of the day. It's a nice one.
It actually came out.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you. Me too. The year before, I caught couches and one for me.
Oh, you did, didn't you?
Yeah, I did remember that. That's why I thought it was this one. Ooh. Ooh.
There he is. This one's on the square bill. Oh. Got one? Oh, nice. There we go. Number 3 for Brooke. Good job.
Thank you.
Alright, folks. Number 2 on the square bill. Oh. Oh, that got me. Next cast. Nice. There you go. Brooke with another one. Oh, right off that tree. There he went. But he was on the Rapala DT4. You like seeing him jump down? It's a nicer one. Heck yeah. That's a nicer one there, guys. He wanted that. It's on that Rapala. Let me spot lock. It's on that Rapala DT4. He wanted that thing. I need that. Oh, I'm gonna get the pliers on this guy. There we go, folks. Nice one on the DT4. Oh, nice. Didn't even know you had one. Nice.